Hello everyone, it's Sherry with the CGH Health Foundation, and welcome back to my kitchen for another What's Cooking CGH video. Today I'm going to be making for you a carrot salad, which is a staple of salad bars and potlucks everywhere. I'm going to be doing a healthier version for us today, and carrots are one of my favorite vegetables, so I'm really excited about this recipe. We all know that carrots are good for us. They have vitamin A, and we know that's good for our eyesight, but vitamin A is also very important for our immune system. And so I hope you will enjoy this carrot recipe. I'm going to start off by making the dressing, and I'm going to do that right in my mixing bowl. So most of the carrot salad recipes that I have seen start off with mayonnaise as part of the dressing. So I thought I would switch it up today, and I'm going to be using fat-free Greek yogurt. And so what this does is that the fat-free, obviously, so you're not getting the fat from the mayonnaise, but we're also going to be adding some protein. Greek yogurt is a pretty good source of protein, and the natural probiotics that come in yogurt. So this is a great substitute for mayonnaise in the salad. I've got a 5.3 ounce container, and I'm just going to use the whole container and put it into my mixing bowl. Get it scooped out here. I think I got all of it. The next ingredient is the juice from about half of a lemon, and that's going to give it a nice citrusy tang and loosen up the dressing a little bit. This salad's great any time of the year. I mean, carrots are readily available year-round, and so it's going to go great with springtime meals, summer, fall, whatever. The last ingredient in the dressing is about a tablespoon of honey, and so I will mix that right in here. Okay, it's just going to give it a little touch of sweetness. And let's get it whisked up. You could add a little salt to the dressing too if you wanted to. I'm going to wait and see how it tastes at the end, but maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And there. I always mix my dressings right in the bottom of the bowl, and that way it stays on dishes. Okay. And let's go ahead with the rest of the ingredients. So carrots, it calls for 1 pound of shredded carrots for the recipe, and I prefer to shred my own carrots. I got a head start. I've got most of them already done here, and my preferred tool for the job is this old-fashioned box grater. You could break out the food processor if you wanted to. I hate cleaning up the food processor. This is just a simple tool. It's been around for ages, and I'm going to use the large grating side of it, but it's got a finer grate, and it's got an even finer grate for cheese, and then on one side it's got a blade. Make sure you get a stainless steel one, and then when you're done you can just rinse it out and stick it in the dishwasher. It doesn't take very long to do this, really not much longer than it would take to use the food processor. I've already got most of my carrots grated here. I saved one, and I'll start grating, and you'll see it goes by really fast. I never peel my carrots. I just use the peel. There's lots of great nutrition there. And let me get going. You gotta watch your fingers, of course. So 1 pound of carrots, what this ends up to be if you don't have a food scale, is about 4 very large carrots, 4 cups total of carrots after they're grated. And the best thing about using the box grater is that there's always a little snack at the end for the chef. Okay, we'll scrape that out and set it aside. And I will put the rest of these carrots right into I made a little mess in the kitchen. That's not unusual. Okay, so here go the 1 pound of carrots, about 4 cups total. Okay, I am also going to add to this about 3/4 cups of dried cranberry. Raisins, you could also do raisins, and that's kind of the classic addition for carrot salads, but I thought I would try the cranberries because I happen to have those on hand. I'm also going to add about 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds. I love the way they smell and the way they taste. You could use any kind of nut. The seeds for people with nut allergies might be a better choice. Some people can tolerate seeds if they can't tolerate nuts. But you could do walnuts, you could do pecans, you could even do peanuts. So let's get this all mixed up. This is just a very simple version of this salad. I thought another good addition might be some diced or crushed pineapple. I think would be really good in this. Sunflower seeds, by the way, and one of the reasons I chose them, are a great source of protein, even some iron, of course the healthy fat from the sunflower seeds, fiber, of course. So with the Greek yogurt and the sunflower seeds, even though this is a vegetable salad, it has a pretty good hit of protein. You could even add maybe some garbanzo beans and make it a really great light lunch. Okay, I think I have that dressing all incorporated. Didn't take very long at all. And there we have our carrot salad, shredded carrot salad. You're going to put this in the refrigerator, usually an hour to 2 hours at least, to kind of let all the flavors come together and that moisture from the dressing to really soak in. But I have one that I made earlier. There it is, my carrot salad. Let's give it a taste. It's delicious. I love it. A simple salad, great all year round. I hope you'll try the recipe and let me know what you think.